Welcome to episode 3, everybody. And today we have some surprises for you. We have some deep topics for you, and we're going in. So I hope you stays very ace. Join us. For now, let us just chill. We're gonna have some live performance, and then we're going to the streets. So what we're gonna do in the streets today, people? We're gonna ask the people, ne? Ons gaan hulle vra, what do you think about our police force and how they handle our cases in Eldorado Park? And we're gonna hear what they say. Without further ado, man, let us go to the live performance.
We smashed in the kitchen, we smashed in the car. Side by side, but I love them apart. Into deep, yeah, I can't get enough. 150, I just raised the bar. Yeah, smash, 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 smash. Let's go. Just made 150. I'm out in the south getting litty. Go from the port, say she with me. Hop in the boat and it's frisky. But yellow girls bring a ting. Yellow girls bring a ting. Call my phone, let it ring. Look at me now, yeah, I blink. Yeah, we smash, she's bad. From the couch to the bed. Got her in cuffs, now she's under arrest. Fucking around, yeah, we making a mess. She asked if I'd rather put cuffs on the friend. She look like a twin, can you please bring her in? Pour me some nigga to down with the team, cause I'm down for the win. Yeah, smash, 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 smash.
We're gonna do it in the streets today, people. We're gonna ask the people, ne? Ons gaan hulle vra, what do you think about our police force and how they handle our cases in Eldorado Park?
Let's go, let's go. Yeah, let's go, let's go,
yeah. Welcome to podcast, and today we are with
Zero Nati.
yeah, ne. So today our question is, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle their cases? So what do you think about the police force and how they handle their cases in Eldorado Park, my bro?
Ay, this wakla ni. Because all the ones that is telling man, they're supposed to interact man. They're still chasing out, so the Khatas is basically working with the Ramanas. Get that I'm saying.
Sure. So how do you think the police force can make it better, my bro?
Like, if they change locations, like a Khatas from here, put them in another location. Khatas from this location, put them in a location, and they'll work better.
Away. There you got the chance. We are what?
Zero Nati.
Zero Nati. Follow him. Follow me, guys. Papi Uchi, thank you for the podcast. See you later. Danko. Okay, welcome to podcast, everybody. Ik hoop je toch deze bij de huis. Je kent me, zo gaan het. En we are what?
Umar Muhammad, man.
Away, Umar Muhammad. And the question for today is, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle their cases? Is it?
Okay, first things first. I would like to say the police force in Eldorado Park is currently at a very low. If you must look at it nicely, the cops they come in our areas, right? Based on maybe say example crime, right? When they come here, they come either late and they're closest to us. You understand? So they're supposed to be on the ground working. These people are not working, my guy. You're my living proof. I have scars in my face. I was almost half dead, me bro, in December month. I got stabbed 3 times. One on the nose, one in the side of the face, and one in the neck. You understand? I got a case at the police station, but the person who has my file does not have my file because when I go constantly there, asking questions based on my case, he's not always there to respond. And if I do get there, maybe to like try to sort the thing out, cops are in there. The person that stabbed me is currently outside and he's freely walking around, still giving threats at me, you understand? So my life is at risk taking my siblings to school, but yet I still do that because that's what I must do, you understand?
Sure.
So at the old end, I'm not safe, but yet at the old end, I must make myself safe. That's what youth nowadays are doing. You understand? Yeah.
We understand. So, if they can make it better, what do you think? If they can make the situation better, what do you think they can do?
think they should have more people patrolling, my guy, instead of using motors, like motor vehicles. They should be patrolling on foot, my bro. At least maybe say 4 different locations. Or let's say every location, there should be at least 4 policemen walking around, you understand? Because even if they do go with cars and shit, that people can't catch the people the people who's doing the crime because they can't see who's the people. It has weapons or shit like that on them. You get
Sure. Thanks. Anything else you wanna say to the camera? Shoutouts.
shout out to all the Owens from Yalos, you know, most say POM still in the fight. Thank you, Owens.
Sure. We stays by the HB podcast and sa Sikalan. We continuing. Tanko. Thank you, Muhammad. Welcome to podcast, everybody. And we still on our topic, you understand? So our topic is, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle the cases? We are with Vicky. And Vicky is gonna explain to us more from his personal opinion what he think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle the cases.
So first of all, for me, I would say they don't really do their work. You would ask why? Say they're sluggish when they do the work. Let's take for example, we had a shooting across the road here. The police was called. No police showed up. The light ended up dying. See, everything is just slow, man. There's no cooperation. And even if there's cooperation, there's always gonna be corruption also. You see, that's the problem with the police of nowadays. Gents, it's just very deep what these people is doing, man. Wanna burn down a station, but we can't do that because those people is supposed to protect us, but they're not. They're harming us instead. So that's what I think of them currently. If there's any more questions you would like to ask, you can pose.
So you say what about down the police station, my
Yeah,
bro?
man, like, the police are not working and getting
Okay,
paid for nothing.
okay. How do you think the police can make it better for us in the community? Like, seeing that they're not doing their job, how do you think it can be made better in your perspective?
First of all, what I can say is less police enforcers. Like that is gonna handle the situation. Because now if they full in the station, everyone's doing paperwork. This one is doing it. The commander's not even in the station. He's somewhere else. And we have a serious issue. Someone might stab the or is being mob justice or he stole a phone or whatever the case may be, what crime is making. And they're not able to respond. Why are they so full there if they can't respond to a minor issue? We have to cut down some stuff on because now, as you see, the VAT was gonna go up, our tax was gonna go up, the khatas was gonna get paid more, and for doing what? Less work. Understand?
Thank you very much. And we are what?
Vicky again.
Thank you, Vicky, very much. Stay with the podcast. We stays by the Ice Tanko. There we go. As you can see, Gopi stays by the Ice. It's still podcast. And today we are what?
Jude Chenna.
And today our question is, what do you think about the police force and how they handle their cases? So this man is gonna explain us a little more about from his side. You understand? Everybody has a right to their own opinion.
Yeah. Can I? So what I personally see here in our community is that the police, they can't crack down on large scale crime activities. They'd rather stop and shake us down that are standing on the streets, whereas they know where the drug shops are. They know where people are selling drugs, man. They know where people are gambling. They know where the people stay that shoot people. But every single day, we still get patronized in the streets. In retrospect, it's okay for us to see things like that. But it's not okay for us to deal with it on a daily basis. And that's what we're actually dealing with every single day.
So is there anything they can make better from your side, from your perspective, man?
Police shouldn't be like a force of people that are forcing the normal people into their houses, man. They should actually be something like customer service. You understand? Where we complain and then they actually do something about it. Taxpayers should be complaining and doing something about it. You understand? But they get paid by the people that sell the drugs. So, of course, they're not going to listen to the taxpayer.
Yeah.
So I think they should get something that's like a police force for the police force, man. Like somebody that's watching what they are doing.
I like that.
Because they're always watching what we do.
Guys. This is some of the greatest answers for the day, guys. It's podcast. I hope you tune. Play taste by the Ice. Tanko. And we are what?
Jude Chenna.
Never forget, guys. Tanko. Yes. Welcome to podcast. And today we what?
can say Dylan or Padillas, whatever.
Yeah, nee. So, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle their cases?
It's dependent, you check. There's my new ones, there's old school, there's corrupted,
Sure,
there's loving police, there's
Sure.
hating police.
sure,
You
man.
check. I can't expect to say the green beans all are corrupted. What we call in the new ones, you check.
Yeah,
We can't
nee.
blame them for anything. They know less.
Yeah,
The
nee.
same like us, you check. And then there's the old school, which is corrupted, standard.
Yeah,
They know
we-
the law. By far, for how many years they know the law, you check. They know
Sure.
what goes for what. You check. And then there's like the middle ones, the loving ones, the caring ones.
Yeah.
That you know personally, like, you know. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
name
man.
tag, you check. I'm not gonna name tag or anything you check on. And I'm not gonna judge on anything.
Yeah, man.
You check. It's part of a job, man.
Sure.
You check.
So, if they can do something better in your essence or in
Yeah.
your mind state, what do you think they can do better?
Get to know us better as a community.
Sure.
Get to know me personally. I never did crime in my life.
Okay.
Ever, never stole. I was working for 18 years, but you come to my house.
Yeah, nee.
You tap me net with the blow, you tap me, but I never did any crime whatsoever.
Yeah, nee, that's something
check.
it is to stop. So, yeah, nee, that is how we can do better. Guys, we by podcast and we what?
Dylan, Padi, whatever.
Whatever. Danko. Ek hoop jy is nog thuis by die huis. Ons is nog by podcast en ons is met
Kinana, Kinaro.
Stoute small, shout out, stoute small.
Awe Owen. So the question for today is, what do you think about our police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle our cases? So from your point of view, can you just give us?
To look at it at the point, they don't do any, they don't do the work actually, you know. They don't actually do what they're supposed to do. They join us actually in the crime. If it has to come to crime or any investigation that they are doing, we are part of it and it's helping us, you know. Yeah, how can I say?
Oh, yeah.
Succeeding, you know.
They're part of the crime, but they kitchen their massa pusa on awards. Niks snacks, the kitchen their mara pusa on. Eindelijk nga. Ons had die verkoopie. Hulle kom search vir ons. En nou is fucking all round men Ghana hier buite. Klein fucking light is my bro. Hy is kaga. Hulle van
So Owens, if it come to you, how do you think they can make it better? Like make the situation better?
Worry. Ons almal gatas maak in die season.
Once. It's the better choice, Owens.
There you have it. Dat is nog steeds podcast. Dat is steeds podcast. Ons is met
Papi OG.
Ja, nee.
Papzo.
en ons is met
Oh man, you can't start small man, die papi OG.
ja,
Ons is Kinaro met Papi OG. Dankie.
Dankie Owens. Dat is nog steeds podcast. Danko. Let's go. Welcome to podcast. En ons het een van onze eie hierso. What do you think about the police and how they handle their cases in Eldorado Park?
You don't handle nothing here. You can bring that colored ones. Hulle loop verby die diewe. Hulle kom nie eens aan die hand nie. Hulle sê daar is nie wenne nie. Hulle kan maar gaan. Hulle kan die colors inbring.
Ja, nee, as you can see, there you have it. Danko podcast. Stay with us, guys. Welcome to podcast, everybody. And as you can see, ons is nog thuis by die huis. Ons sit vir
Mr. Wells in die huis in straight van die 7.
Yeah, nee. And our question today is, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle the cases?
That is another story. My honest opinion is they basically gangsters in uniform. They do the same things that we do, it's just that they're abusing their power. They have the authority, you know, to shove between gangs. Take one thing from one gang, supply other gang. They actually make the conflict worse. I understand. That's why I think, me personally, that that's happening in the park now or Westbury or whatever is not gonna stop. The
Yeah,
police,
nee. So if they can make it better, how do you think they can make it better?
for me, I can see little hope, but there are a few people still. You check.
Yeah, nee.
That still want to see our country. Nah, I do believe it. You see, there has to be those good people. So for me, I personally think that there must be police for the police.
Yeah,
You
nee.
check.
Yeah,
Woodline.
Real
nee,
police for the
I agree
police.
with it.
And
I
maybe
agree
I
with
don't
it.
know. And those people that's policing the police, they obviously they must get paid because they get greedy.
Ja, nee. So is dit by die podcast. Ons is nog steeds samen, Mister.
Master Wells.
Danko. En shout out to Extension 7. Shout out to my mother. Danko. Sure. Nog steeds by podcast en ons is saam met
Romano, aka Dizzy Bone.
Away, we were Dizzy Bone here. Dizzy Bone, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle our cases?
Actually, honest speaking, they don't do their jobs right.
Away. Straight. And how do you, if you had anything to say to the police out there to make the thing better, what would you say to them?
They should focus more on this drug lords and gang related matters. They should work with the community.
Danko. And as you can see, ons is nog steeds saam met
Dizzy Bone.
Danko. Dankie. Any shout out you wanna give him, my bro?
Shout out to the twins, Gideon and Gabriel. I'm my bro, so wedding no die last. And shout out to Papi, OG.
Away. There you have it. Dankie Dizzy Bone het julle gesê mense. So, danko. Welcome, ons is nog steeds by podcast en ons is nog steeds in Extension 6 mense. Ons is saam met
Dylan?
Ons is saam met Leland. Leland, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle the cases?
Aye, that's police. They take long, very long. Murder cases, ooh, they take very long. They don't even solve us cases. I don't know anymore also. That's
Away.
people-
So you as a scholar, what can you tell them to something to advise them?
They must do their job better and faster and quicker and think smarter also.
Sure, Mawan. If you can tell him to do anything better, like out there for our community, as a police force, as the people that are looking after us, what would you say to them?
They should just stop the violence. Those people also, it's not also the police, it's the people in the vehicle that also start those things. You understand what I'm saying?
True.
It's gangsters, gangsterism, and the police. The police can do nothing about gangsterism, it's also people's choices. They make.
Sure. So there we go, we with Leland, guys. Stay tuned to podcast. Ons is nog nie klaar nie. Kom, laat ons loop. Dankie mense. Hoop jy stays by die huis. Ons is nog steeds by podcast, né? En ons is met
Enrique Shaibola.
Ja, nee. And today's question, Owens, is what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle the cases? So your personal opinion.
I think about so aqua. So reason why I'm saying it is so far months ago. There was something in the happened, but they just saw someone with the same color and they were like, nee, it's him, it's him, it's him. And I was a bit shocked, man, verstaan. But in anyway, I took it like getting when they found out they were wrong, they were like, nee, we apologize, but it already done some dumb shit, you see. So I just want to say they must let up a game, man. They popping away.
Okay, from my side, honestly speaking, I feel like they're lacking a lot. In they are unethical in most of the procedures that they carry out. And honestly speaking, I feel like they abuse their power, especially these green beans up and comings. They are abusing their power way too much. Because for me, in all honesty, I feel like this green beans is doing the police's job. But also in them doing the police's job, they're getting like big hit because why they out there doing the job and all of that. So they go to a certain extent where they will disrespect citizens and even go to a point of violating their rights even.
Sure.
You understand? Which is something I don't sit it doesn't sit well with me personally. And also then again I feel like you had Silver Spoons, personally speaking, you had Silver Spoons, there's a lot of corruption going on.
Sure.
And these policemen they're working with the crooks and the gangsters. And that is why they can't come out personally to do their own jobs. That is why they send green beans out to do the job for them. Because if the guys make out to say that, hey man, I'm paying you off or you are on my payroll and you're coming to collect me, obviously there's going to be a threat against that officer's life or whatever. So I just feel like they should start like being more transparent and more ethical in whatever they do. Because it now at this point in time, like it's how can I say, it's diminishing the community as a whole.
Sure, Owen. So if there's anything you could say to the police form to make it better, what would you say to the police?
The green beans is crooks, man. Cherry recht ouwen span.
Yeah, from my side, I will say just go to work, do your job, do what you get paid to do, and stop taking bribes, man. And then
Away.
that's how we're gonna keep innocent people out of jail.
Away ouens, any shoutouts, any shoutouts? Enige iets wel wil sê vir die mense daar buite?
Okay, I'll say shout out to Extension 6 because I really appreciate your coming out to Extension 6 and coming to come do the survey with us. I really appreciate it because there's not really many people who will come out to come find out and actually put time in to find out what is happening in the community or where could they help.
Sure. Anything you wanna say, man?
O kaitan mo kay kulia bones.
Away.
O kaitan mo chais.
Yeah, nee. There we have it, guys. Podcast. Couldn't have said it better. There we go. Danko. Jy ken mos is nog steeds by die podcast. Ek hoop jy steeds by die huis. Ons is saam met
Ray
en saam met
John.
So today's question, guys, is what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle our cases? So your personal opinion is your opinion. So what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle our cases?
Okay, from my side now, honestly speaking, service wise, very delayed. That's all I have to say. And then okay, I'll hand over to Uncle John.
From my side, police force are very poor. If you look at what they are doing, they're not providing a service towards the people, nothing. This morning I checked on the group. There was a body laying Golden Highway and Union on the left-hand side, right? And they notified the police. They even escalated it. It took the police about 30 minutes just to get there, just to see what is happening, what happened actually. And we don't know how long that body was laying. Even here within the community, you can send a message now to say, hey, we need a police assistance here or there. They take their own time to show. Even with the crime wardens that are here today. I'm living right opposite Missouri, right? You see how the children are bunking school every day. But what's happening? The crime wardens are doing nothing. The police are doing nothing. This morning they just stopped just to ask the guys, why are you leaving the schoolyard? Whatever excuse those guys gave them, they just let it go. What's happening to our police? Everything just, it's like they're sweeping everything under the carpet. There's nothing coming out. You hear now and then about the police raid, but you don't see the visibility of the police.
So if there's anything you could say to the police or to the police force out there, what would you say to them?
Skrik wakker.
Guys, catch really wake up. Because when the community really starts to take the law into their own hands, then you want to arrest the community. But you aren't there to do the job for us.
So is it by podcast? Any shout out you wanna say? Any shout out?
Hi, no shout outs.
Only one shout out, guys. We've got our own small business going. We've got our horse rolls that we are selling, guys. Now and then weekends, if the weather permits us, we're at the grounds. It's 30 rand, guys, and it's very delicious.
Sure.
By Mr. D is lekker. Kos is bos, jy nodig nog.
Okay, where can they get you by the grounds in?
In Extension 6.
In Extension 6 at the Go
Go
6
Six
field, they'll get us there as well.
Sure. Thank you, guys.
Drop a number, maybe, please. Ariman.
A number?
Yeah, a number.
Yeah,
It's 0071 726 8985.
Sure. There we go, guys. Support the local businesses. Ons is nog steeds by podcast. Dankie. Wie steeds by die huis? Danko. Come to podcast and ons is by die hair salon. You can support the hair salon. Everybody come by the hair salon and Extension 6. Anyway, yeah, the question today is, what do you think about the police force in Eldorado Park and how they handle their cases? So, yeah, it's laat ons net hoor.
Die police is useless. Hulle is meer agter vir chocho. Veral nou die jong span wat nou ingekom het. Jy gaan polisiestasie toe. Hulle kyk hoe net so hulle praat met mekaar. Hulle vat jou nie eens kop toe nie. So my opinion, hulle is fucked up die polisie.
Daar het jy dit net so straight, né? Ek gaan nog praat. Enige iets anders? Danko.
Ja, hulle doen nie hulle werk nie. As jy polisiestasie toe gaan en jy gaan daar miskien 'n saak of iets of whatever jy miskien nog gebeur. Sê nou dat sy binne die moet wag of terugkom. So of hulle is either die wenner stukkend of as nooit wenner nie. En die ding is die green beans doen ook hulle werk nie. Because hulle werk saam met die polisie en hulle vat ook bribes.
Ja nee. Die green beans is die wardens mense. Green beans is die wardens, hoe die vergeet die. Danko podcast. Daai het julle dit street, ek kan dit nie beter gesê dit nie. Thank you everybody for watching. Ek hoop you enjoy episode 3. Hi, we going in with another one. Don't forget episode 4 is coming up. Don't miss. Danko. Yebo. Podcast.
T-shirts, bro. T-shirts. Take this.
Welcome to podcast everybody. En ek hoop jy stays by die huis. Vandag ons praat oor eier.
And burn down the station, but we can't do that because the people is supposed to protect less police enforcers. Like that is gonna handle the situation more, and for doing what? Less work.
I'm not gonna name take you check as a community. Get to know me personally. I never did crime.
What is supposed to do? They join us actually in the crime.
By the kitchen, they massa pusa on the words. That's snacks. The kitchen, they massa pusa.
En vandag ons praat oor ek ken nie wat kyk, ja, wys die mense wat maak hulle daar so asseblief. Ja, wat maak hulle daar? The chef is in the kitchen.
Die neighbors fucking all rond met Ghana hier buiten. Playing fucking light is my brother.
Allemaal gaat als maken in ziekte.
Welcome to SBC1. Die kan nie so saag praat nie. Cut.
You don't handle nothing here.
Basically gangsters in uniform. Ja, so dis voor met die Papi OG.
Ja, nee.
Dis 'n keer oor die Papi OG.
Dankie ouens. Is nog steeds podcast. Danko. Let's go.